You're probably wondering, is this really me? Nope, this is my AI avatar, and today I'll show you how you can create one too. But before we begin, a huge thank you to all of you for your incredible support. We just crossed 2000 subscribers, and I truly appreciate every one of you. Now, without any further ado, let's get started.
This is freaking insane, guys. I just created my AI avatar and now let me show you how can you do it too. Simply go to Gemini under settings, click on avatar. After that you will be able to see a button try now. Okay, simply click on that button and a new tab will be opened with a QR scanner. Simply open your phone, scan this QR code using your camera and it will open your selfie camera. It will ask you to read some numbers to get your voice profile, and after that it will ask you to move your face to left and right so that it can get your face profile. And once that would be done, this page will automatically refresh and you can close this window. Okay, so we are done. Let me simply close this window and you will be able to see your created avatar in Gemini now. Okay, simply click on use avatar button and you will be able to use your avatar however you want. Okay, but before that we would like to have an inspiration for our YouTube studio background or podcast background so that it can look professional. So for that we can go on Pinterest and search for YouTube studio backgrounds or podcast studio backgrounds and you will be able to see a tons of inspiration available here. Okay, so you can use any inspiration you find and you can put it into the ChatGPT and create something unique. Okay, so you are supposed to just use these short form or long form background images as your inspiration, and I don't recommend to copying someone else's background. Okay, so just use into any AI tool you like. I have already created one for me, so let's go to ChatGPT and let me simply upload it here and let me show you how it looks. Okay, so it's been uploaded. Check this out, guys. So this is how my background looks like. Okay, so what we can do here now, we can simply remove the person, the subject from this background and we can get a proper background image only. Okay, we don't need our image or any person into it. You can do it from any image inspiration you like. Okay, so after that you will have your background ready. I have created two versions of my background, a light version studio and a dark version studio. Okay, so for the sake of this tutorial I am gonna use the dark background. Okay, so in order to create our video we will use another Google tool named as Google Flow, and here you will be able to manage your avatar you just created using Gemini. Okay, so you can simply delete this avatar or replace with your new avatar if you didn't like what you already have. Okay, so just simply click on replace avatar and the same process will be started as we done under Gemini. Okay, for now they are giving 50 free credits until August 31, so it's a great opportunity for you guys to create some videos out of it and try out this tool. Okay, so we have our project opened right here. Okay, and after that I have drafted a complete Google Gemini avatar prompt template for you guys so that you can simply copy and paste. It has all the necessary sections with scenes which describes your studio or environment. After that we have subject which describes how your avatar should appear and behave. Okay, so you can customize it according to your likings. I have attached the examples for all of these if you wanna achieve a look like me. Okay, so I have the wardrobe which describes your clothing style, so you can change this however you want. Okay, I have provided the examples for all of these. Other than that we have the camera which describe the framing, lens, lighting and camera style, and everything is pretty self-explanatory. Okay, so you can simply go to this prompt and copy this and use it however you want to customize. Okay, after that we have the audio and voice which describes your voice style. Okay, how it should be natural paced, confident and friendly. Okay, after that we have the dialogue which will be lip synced. Okay, I will suggest you to use at least 32 to 40 words so to get the best results for the 10-second videos. Other than that we have the visual style which describes your overall cinematic style. Okay, so simply copy this prompt and you can give it to ChatGPT and customize it as per your likings. I have already customized this prompt for my particular studio background, my particular studio style, so let me simply go to that and let me simply copy and paste into Google Flow. So here is my customized prompt. Let me simply copy it and let's go to Google Flow now and let me simply paste it. Okay, So after pasting your prompt, you will need to upload your background image you created. Okay, so let me go and choose the studio dark background scene image over here, and after that you will be able to simply tag it using the @ symbol, and you need to put it under scene/settings. Okay, after that under subject you can simply select your AI avatar, but I have found better results while using my image. Okay, so I'm uploading my image over here, and let me select that one using @ symbol. Okay, in the same way you can do it for the wardrobe. You can select your AI avatar or AI image, whatever suits you best. Okay, and under audio/voice, make sure to select your AI avatar because it has got our audio profile during recording. Okay, so make sure to use your AI avatar. For voice, just type @ symbol and you will be able to find it vertically stacked over here. Okay, so just simply click on add to prompt, and that particular avatar will be added into our dialog as well. Okay, so this is how you can do it. After that, simply change your dialog to whatever you want to what it to say. Okay, so I am typing hello YouTube family, you guys are awesome, what do you think about AI avatars? Let me know in the comments. Okay, so after that, everything, you don't need to change anything in the prompt. Just simply click on the video over here, make sure to disable the agent. The selection should be video and ingredients, and we are generating 16:9 for YouTube video. Okay, and after that the model should be Omni Flash. Let's generate an 8-second of video which will cost us around 12 credits. Okay, after that simply click enter and it will start generating our video. So let's wait for it. And amazing, our result is ready.
Hello YouTube family. You guys are awesome. What do you think about AI avatars? Let me know in the comments.
And this is insane, guys. Okay, how realistic it looked. Okay, simply click on 3 dots and click on download, and you will be able to upscale it to 1080p and simply download this video. Okay, and other than that, you can simply reuse this prompt to create the new scene using the same environment. Okay, you just need to change the dialog. So let's go to the dialog section and let's change it to something else. So I have changed it to please like this video, comment on this video, share it with your friends and family. I will meet you guys in the next videos. Till then, thank you very much. Okay, and let's see how my avatar performs.
Please like this video, comment on it and share it with your friends and family. I will meet you guys in next videos. Till then, thank you very much.
It's insane, guys. I mean, just look at this, the dialogue delivery, the expressions and everything else. Okay, so it has removed the laptop by mistake. So I have simply instructed in the scene that don't remove my laptop or my arm stand. After that, let's regenerate the video and let's see how it goes. I have selected a duration to 6 seconds.
Please like this video, comment on it and share it with your friends and family. I will meet you guys in next videos. Till then, thank you very much.
Amazing. So this is how you can create realistic AI talking video for yourself. Okay, so make sure to share this video with your friends and family and subscribe this channel for more informational content like this. You guys have been awesome so far, and I am really loving it to create the new videos on YouTube. I will meet you guys in the next videos. Till then, thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. And yeah, don't forget to comment for the next topic.